is so good for my body. And it gives us lots of energy. And it is sweet like candy, but it's actually good for you. So I like to give fruit a very special name. I like to call it nature's candy. Say that. Nature's candy. Aww. Now reach up. Pick the fruit from the tree and sing nature's candy. Sing it. Nature's candy. I love fruit so very much. So put your hand over your heart and sing, I've got a sweet tooth for my favorite fruit.
I've got a sweet tooth for my favorite fruit.
Oh, you all have such lovely singing voices.
Oh, thank you so much, Jill.
You're welcome. Fruit is so good for you, and it is so sweet tasting that I like to give these little sweeties silly little names. Like tangerine would be Tangerine. Say that.
Tangerine.
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 Stand up and bob with me. Tangerine.
Tangerine.
Tangerine, 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 or strawberry, 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 berry, strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Are you ready to rock? Tangerine, 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 I got a thirst of the munchies, and I need something sweet. I won't go grabbing candy. Fruit is what I need. I could go bananas. Pears make me berserk. And yogurt on my pineapple is perfect for dessert. Sing nature's candy louder. Can't hear you. One more time. I've got a sweet tooth for my favorite fruit, nature's candy.